Hey y'all, so I want a sweet treat, but I want something healthy. So I have my bananas that I have frozen in the past. I have 2 bananas worth and they're frozen. And I don't know if it's gonna be any good. I've never made anything like this, but I have the probiotic peach milk, regular milk, some yogurt, some vanilla flavored yogurt, a cup of ice, and I'm gonna just have a little fun. I'm gonna throw it all in the blender. I don't know why it would be bad. I just want like a milkshake kinda, you know, but not with all the sugar. So, let me back you up a little bit. And I thought maybe the frozen bananas would work kind of like ice. I may not even need all that ice. I don't know. I've never done it. Don't know how much of any of this I'm supposed to put. But I'm hoping to make at least 2 cups of this. One for me and one for Travis. He likes this kind of stuff too. He's not huge on like big sweet stuff, but like if it's a healthy kind, I don't know how much I'm putting in. I'm just putting some in. I have vanilla protein powder that would be good in here too. But we've already ate supper. This is a few hours after supper, so I don't need a full meal, just a good healthy treat. Just pouring some in, don't know how much. We'll see. Might need more ice. Learning process. I'm sure I could have looked up a recipe, but just going with it. I'm gonna have to go back to this back counter though. I don't have a plug right here. All right, here we go. Oh, I guess I gotta hit power. Wow, that was loud. Wasn't expecting it to be quite that loud. Okay. Let's see what it tastes like. Ah! Sorry. It's all good. So fun. Oh, that's good. It's just fresh, light, icy. Oh, that's real good. I don't know why it sprayed out at me like that, but okay.
Hi everyone.
I think this is actually Anna's cup.
You gave me the biggest spoon possible.
No, look, my spoon's bigger. All right, let's do a taste test.
It's a big spoon. Okay.
I can't even see me in it.
Just like the animals. That's the yogurt with the monkey on it. You know what I'm talking about? That's that monkey cartoon.
The little kids yogurt?
Yes, I love the animals. Like good.
I like it. It's very light.
I need some strawberries.
I don't like the seeds in strawberry milkshakes. But anyway, it's not super milkshakey.
This is a smoothie.
Yeah, this is more like a smoothie. All right, so good healthy little treat. Y'all have a great night.
Bye everyone. Y'all go make this.